The Flir E Series is a line of professional thermal imaging cameras designed for a wide range of applications, including building diagnostics, electrical inspections, mechanical assessments, and predictive maintenance. These cameras are renowned for their high-resolution thermal imaging capabilities, providing detailed and accurate temperature readings that help professionals identify hidden issues such as heat loss, electrical faults, moisture intrusion, and mechanical wear. Equipped with advanced features like multispectral dynamic imaging, MSX, the Flir E Series enhances thermal images with visible light details, delivering sharper and more informative visuals. Models within the E Series vary in resolution, sensitivity, and temperature range, catering to different industry needs. The ergonomic design, intuitive touchscreen interface, and Wi-Fi connectivity make these cameras user-friendly and efficient for on-site reporting and analysis. Rugged and portable, the Flir E Series combines cutting-edge infrared technology with practical features, enabling professionals to diagnose problems quickly, reduce downtime, and improve safety in various operational environments. Certified MTP, your industry leader in material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.